Kuha na yung bag.
There's someone, our black person bird, Chaco. Chaco is our moon and scientific name is Natural. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and they are the largest among the wild cockatoos. There you go, the show was officially started. A round of applause for Chaco with trainer Jan.
Go, Chaco!
Hello everyone, welcome to MANILA Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Regine. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or here in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Alright, let's put it right here.
Right.
Now, let's call our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver-crested cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatuwa gallerina. Common habitats in open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very long and friendly and sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find this hidden object? Well, if it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Go, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. And we found it! A round of applause for Dazzle.
Eh, kasi yan yung, ano niya. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Daddy!
Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will remain pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be bad. Means Sassy and Rocky are beautiful for because, but today, they will be battling out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy! Sassy! Very good. So how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky! Very good. So birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here's Rocky for the first ball. And second ball for Rocky. Followed by Sassy. And for the last ball, who's gonna win? And
Rocky!
Dr. Rina, what can you say about the use this time?
Oh, did we want another race?
Oh, she won another race, trainer JB.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is a ring.
So, the ring race it shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on, let's cheer Sassy to win this time. And we will doing this again and this time our rules. Ready, set, go! Here's ready for the
Rocky.
Followed by the second ring and what's happening? Sassy picking up the spirits at the center.
Nandaya! Daya yun!
Later, JP, what can you say about that? 3 weeks at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Yes!
You think you cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, it is true that girls are more intelligent than boys?
Yes!
For Sassy and Rocky with trainer JP and trainer
Bye-bye, Rocky! Saan? Ayun si Rocky.
Pilots are particularly known to be intelligent and pursuits. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. So here is Sassy once again. Sassy is going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape box into the correct slot.
Rocky's more intelligent.
Just like Sassy, breeding macaws from South America, they're the gentle giant of the Pangolin family. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeter length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnotoptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, soap, minerals, along the river banks. And for the second last shape, come on, Sassy.
No, sir.
And for the last shape,
Happy teeth.
Penguin, yung sila yun
there
pala
you
yun.
go. Intelligent, right? Arachnotos for Sassy with trainer B.
Fly away, Sassy. Fly away.
Now guys, who loves math? All of us here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the program will leave people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing by two numbers between 1 to 15. Any numbers between 1 to 15? Okay, so the first number is number 25. So how about the second number?
50.
Alright, so the second number is number 7. So the equation is 25 plus 7. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer JB will shuffle the numbers.
You end up in debt. Oh, try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics.
Now, let's call our hybrid mako, Rocky. Wow, Rocky. Entrance.
Rocky lands on the
Trainer JB, is Rock ready? Go, Rocky, solve the equation for us.
mathematics pala si Rocky.
And he gets the first number correct. So how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Yeah, Rocky loves numbers. Ay, binasa niya pa.
And he gets the number 2. So 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. Around the applause for Rocky. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be a lucky volunteer, just raise your hands up and choose one. Come on guys, with 500 peso bill. Oh, I think we got one. Hi sir, please come here in stage. You will notice that the members of our show are most it is because they are intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and physically shy. They have a very good memory and can remember.
Kunin na yung 500 ka. Ha? Kunin na
Hi
yung
sir,
500. Kunin na.
welcome to MANILA Ocean Park. First off, what is your name? How about a round of applause for Miss Man? Sir, can you have your money? And please stand right here. And facing this way, and extend your left arm just like this. And as I put your money between your fingers. Sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? Okay, let's see. Now let's call our money bird Buddy. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy just donated the money. A round of applause for our donor. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money will go a long, long way, and we are very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. part of the show, please come back here in front and we will give your money back. Sir, Buddy saying something before Buddy gives your money. Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Alright, so all you have to do is stand right here, look at the camera, and offer your cheek. Wow, sweet. One more. How about on your hand? Just open your palm, look at the camera, and smile. And third is your money. A round of applause for our volunteer and Buddy.
Pero,
Now that you have met our colorful and intelligent parrot, we would like to introduce you another species of birds here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, headed feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during night. And they also have powerful talons and
Dalawa
beaks.
sila. Dalawa. Look up.
Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Presenting our Philippine Eagle Owl, here comes home. Scientifically named is Molucca. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and Cebu. And with our Brahminic eye, here comes Shadow. Brahminic eye, scientifically known as Haliastor indus, one of the 446 species birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh,
Galing.
Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And they're locally known as Lawi or Banon in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chickens! Wow, so cute! And as you can see, we are our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has the meaning meaning they will generally return to its nest and eggs. How about a round of applause for our raptors, our chicken, and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not trying to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in the land and earth as well. Now guys, who knows the pillars? It reduce to reuse and recycle bird. Now here's our lovely bird and they are going to show us how the proper waste disposal.
Kumakapon sila. Doon sila nagano.
See, if our lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from all exploitation and extinction. Please, let all do us part to save the world. Because remember,
Paano
this
kaya
is the
nila
only
trainin
home
ninyo?
we've got. Now, let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made this show possible. Trainer Vina with Bunny. Trainer Mikey with Shadow. Trainer April with Hope.
Oh,
Trainer David and Trainer JB with the chicken.
kita ko. Oh,
Trainer Martins and Trainer Sean with the homing pigeons. And once again, I'm Trainer Regine. Thank you and goodbye!
Bye!
Please remain on your seat because we still have the Sea Lion Show. And please, do not cross the yellow line. Thank